Today we're going to be installing a bill validator for this USI model 3155B. The bill validator that we will be installing is this coinco model BP4SX, and we're going to be removing this because it needs to be repaired, and so we'll probably have them do a rebuild. Now, in order to install this, you're going to have to put on the two clips, and really they're very simple. You just slide them on. There's one here and then there's one right there. They're easy to take off. You just lift this tab and pull it back and then slide it off. To install it, you've got to put the nuts back on here, over here. You can see there's one here, one here. There are four of them. One up here. See right there, and then there's one over on this side. It's kind of hard to see right back in, but you just put on those four bolts, or actually four nuts, and then you're good to go again. These are the four nuts that I'm going to be installing, and what I've done is I put a piece of paper in this socket so that when I put the bolt in, it doesn't slide all the way down. You can see it'll be on the end, so I can use my I'm also going to use this kind of an extension socket wrench to put on those nuts. So again, really all you need to do is just go ahead and slide on the nut. Make sure you get it going. Like I said, I put a little piece of paper in, and then I'll just put the bolt inside of it. And you want to make sure that you have the star facing the outside, and you just go ahead and push that in. Doing this on my own, so it makes it a little difficult, but you can see that's how you want it. And you want to put it in pretty tight so that it doesn't fall out. So again, you just put the socket on, make sure you get it started, and you'll be able to tell, you'll feel it go on. And then, like I said, you're going to have to take out that paper, otherwise it won't tighten anymore. Taking the paper out now, and if you don't have a deep socket, you don't really need the paper. If your socket might be different than this, and you might not even have to use the paper. But there you go, there you have it. And then you do it for all four of them. I've got 3 more to go. I'll just be doing the same thing, so I won't waste your time with that. One other thing that you'll want to do before you try and insert those other 2 screws that are located up here, or those other 2 bolts, you want to remove this. You just push the tab in and lift up, and see, now you have a lot easier access to those bolts right in through there. And once you get that installed, hopefully everything works well, and make sure you subscribe to Big Al Repairs. Thanks so much.